Alright, we've got the SuperEZ coming up on a 3-cell 2200 China Hobbies. Wind's picked up quite a bit since I got here. We're going to fly this one in pretty close today. Get the hat cam adjusted there. Yeah, it's another one that you could easily fly at a football field. No worries at all. I measured off our runway this morning. Thought that was kind of hinky. We're in low rates. This one I always fly on high rates because I fly it slow, so you need that extra control. Yeah, I measured off the runway today with the Autel Evo drone, and it's about 513 feet end to end. But that's not all super improved area. In other words, really, really low cut. That's about 460 feet. And then we got an extra little section on each end that kind of comes out into a half circle for extra runoffs and stuff. And this area I'm flying in right now is about 25 yards by 25 yards, just in the area that I'm flying. So that gives you an idea of the minimum that you need. I mean, I could not fly this in my backyard, but church parking lot, soccer field, plenty of room on a soccer field. Wind's kicked up now. Got about a 7-mile-an-hour wind, gust to 10. Listen here, I really stop flying this one when it gets above 15. Get above 15 and this one, it's pretty hard to land. You about got to harrier it in. There's a wind pushing it. Okay, sir. Jim, you want to play with this one? You sure? Yeah, I got one battery left. I'm debating the same thing myself.
I wanted to fly one more time. I thought, no, I need to get to the house. I'm worried about Carolyn. She starts getting up at 8:30 and I'm dead as far as flying goes.
Well, bring her out here with you. She might enjoy getting to sit in the car under the air conditioner and we'll just watch the planes. She might get a kick out of that.
Well, since she got home from the last hospital stay, she's just been 100% different. I had a repairman in for DirecTV Monday, and oh, she was wired up. You would not believe how she was wired up. Watching the guy, I'm going to go talk to him. I'm going to see what he's doing.
Well, that's good though. The more interaction she has, probably the better off she's is, you know? I think that's one of the mistakes I made with my mom, was not recognizing the deficit that she had. I just chalked it up as being a cranky old lady, not recognizing the dementia and stuff. And I think had I had known that, we all would have made a concerted effort to spend more time with her. I think when a person's mind does start to go, I think they have to have that, as much interaction as they can possibly get, you know.
She's within 3 feet of me all the time. I mean, all the time.
I don't know if I'll make that metal detector meeting tomorrow night or not.
Oh.
The one out in Irving.
Well, I'm not going to church, but I don't have anybody to stay with Carolyn either. I didn't think about it.
Yeah, I didn't either till...
Sorry, all I was thinking about is the...
swap meet?
Swap meet.
Yeah.
I got to look it up, the address of that place. Is it the high school in Allen?
Yeah, I think so.
And
is it Allen or Richardson?
I think it's the Richardson Club. I thought it was in Allen, Texas.
Oh, maybe. I couldn't tell you. I'll have to look it up. I got it on my map, on my Google Maps.
And look that up. I got to get to the bank.
Yeah, I did that yesterday. Went and pulled out a few $100 to have to spend.
The person brought some money from my sister, his grandmother. And he's supposed to give it to me to cover expenses. I told him, I said, well, if I find anything at swap meet, I'll buy it for you. So that would help, you know what I mean?
Right.
And I got enough to probably buy 2 airplanes. He said, I think it's
What's Preston looking for in particular besides that Spitfire?
If I find another Spitfire, I'd buy.
Well, you got a Spitfire, don't you?
I got 2 more. Yeah, and I was bringing it out, the $150 one.
Uh-huh.
And knocked a hunk out of the tail, loading it in the air.
Oh, man, don't you hate it when you do that?
Oh.
I'm constantly banging mine against the garage door when I'm loading and unloading.
On it, and inside the house, I was ticked. I mean, you don't know how ticked I was. So I thought, hey, I'm going to take that plane out and fly it, you know. And I was taking it to the bedroom last night and hit the door on it. And the wife, it wasn't her fault, but she's like 2 feet behind me. You know what I mean?
Right.
And I wasn't watching close enough, but it wasn't her fault.
Was it just misjudge your distance?
Yeah. I had the wheels aimed to my chest, and I should have had the wheels. You gonna land it like that?
I could.
I want to see this.
You almost did. My thumb slipped off the old stick.
If after getting that low, you won't have time. It will land.
I want to get where I'm brave enough to fly this just, you know, a foot off the deck upside down, but I just don't have that brave enough mindset.
Tail, toward the nose, and we'll run some cassette tape across the runway. And you come by and snag it.
Yeah.
Down, okay?
Yeah, we could do that.
Do that. Have it about, I don't know, a foot off the ground. Give you a
landing.
Factor.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it that.
yeah, I think I am too. No, I hope she gets better and rallies up a little bit.
I don't think it's going to get better. I took her off her memory medicine. I tell you about that?
No,
About 2 months ago. I thought, this stuff's not doing any good. At least I didn't think it was. About 2 weeks later, I met the family doctor's office. He says, hey,
SuperEZ.
memory medicine.